You're looking to monitor your child's phone activities for safety purposes. You will need two devices, your phone, the monitoring device, and your child's phone, the target device. The Snoopza app is installed on the target device while your phone is used to monitor. If you're installing Snoopza on your device, watch the video at the link in the tip. Step 1. Prepare the target device. We will show you how to prepare the target device. Open your target Android phone to make sure it is charged, unlocked, and connected to the internet, Wi-Fi, or mobile data. In this segment, we'll focus on disabling Play Protect. To prevent Android warning messages from being displayed on the screen of the monitored device, you need to disable this functionality in Play Protect. Go to Play Store, open it, and press the account symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on the menu button and select Play Protect. Press the gear symbol in the upper right corner and deactivate Skin apps with Play Protect. Finally, tap Turn Off. Next, steep Disable Notifications Google Play Store. Click on the Play Store icon and hold until an additional menu appears. Press the I key. Tap on Notifications. Turn off the switch All Notifications. Now, Step 2. Log into your Snoopza account on your monitoring phone. On your monitoring phone, open a web browser and visit the Snoopza website. Log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one following the site's registration process. Open your personal account on the Snoopza website. Now, and scan the QR from it on the target device. Step 4. All further actions are performed on the target device. Scan the QR code on another device using the camera. Click on the link. If you cannot scan the QR code, type the link address in your internet browser and press Go. After getting the link, download the Snoopza app on the target device and proceed with the installation on it. In this segment, we'll delve into the installation process. Press Open. If prompted, tap Settings to allow installation. Navigate to Settings, then Allow from this source. Now, tap Install. Press Open. When the message Allow Sync Service to send you notifications appears, press Done to allow. Press the Next button. Accept the legal terms when prompted. Next, turn on Disable App Notifications. It's crucial to ensure the app runs smoothly without interruptions. Turn on Accessibility Service. Tap Installed or Downloaded apps. Tap Sync Manager. If the system displays a restricted setting warning message, you need to give permission for the application to continue the installation. Tap the System Back button. Enable the accessibility service again. Read the help and click OK. Find and open Sync Manager in the list. Next, click on the three dots located in the upper right corner. Tap the Allow Restricted Settings. Press Back button. Enable the accessibility service again. Tap Sync Manager. Turn on the switch. Press Allow. Tap the System Back button. Press Back button. Now to turn on Access to Usage. Activate the switch on the Access to Usage. Next, turn on the overlay permission by activating the switch. If the Service Sync service is not found, search for Sync service in the list and turn on the switch. Activate the switch on the Disable Battery Optimization. Press Allow. Press the Next button. Now it is time to activate the Snoopza app. Enter your Snoopza account email and password. Next, choose Activities to track. Turn on the activities you want to track. Tap while using the app or allow confirming permissions. Press Next. Then select Additional Activities to track and tap Next. Next, select the types of screenshots you want to record. Press Start Now and tap Next. Finally, set up your PIN. Set the PIN code to enter the application and memorize it. Congratulations, installation completed. To enter the Snoopza dashboard on the device, open your internet browser, go to the Snoopza website, and log in. In 5 to 6 minutes, information from the device will show up in your Snoopza account. Your web account will now be accessible from any laptop, tablet, or computer connected to the internet. It's important to discuss the installation of this app with your child, emphasizing its purpose for safety and responsible usage.